One of the strangest things about getting older is realizing how many people quietly disappear from your life. Not because of betrayal, not because of drama. Life just slowly pulls people apart. And one day you suddenly realize there are people who once knew absolutely everything about you, who now know absolutely nothing about your life anymore. And honestly, I think many adults over 50 carry heartbreak about friendships they never fully talked about. Because some friendships don't end loudly, they fade quietly. And maybe you felt that too. Maybe you've got tired of being the one always reaching out, always checking in, always trying harder. Maybe you started realizing some people only wanted access to your kindness and not your heart. And maybe for the first time in your life, you are learning something powerful. Peace matters more than popularity. Emotional safety matters more than history. And the older we get, the more we realize real friendships should not leave you feeling emotionally drained. You should feel safe. So if your circle feels smaller lately, please hear this. You are not failing socially. You're becoming more intentional about who walks through life with you. And sometimes the bravest things you can do is stop shrinking yourself just to be accepted. Watch the full episode on Thrive, the friendship gap after 50.